This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the car to ACC or on so the sync system initializes. This ensures the radio and phone module are active. Then you make your phone discoverable in Bluetooth settings because the car must detect it. Next, on the Figo screen, choose the phone or Bluetooth pairing option and pick Add Device or Pair New. You do these steps now so the car and phone are ready to exchange pairing requests without timeouts or confusion. Once the car is searching, watch your phone for a new Bluetooth device named Ford Sync or similar. Tap it to begin pairing. You will see a 4-digit PIN on both the phone and the Figo screen. Confirm they match, then accept on both. Make sure to allow permissions for contacts and messages if you want hands-free dialing and caller ID. Otherwise, deny to keep just audio streaming. Keep the phone within a few feet during pairing to avoid drop discovery. You finish by selecting the paired phone as the active device for phone and media, then place a quick test call and play audio to confirm both mic and speakers work. If pairing fails, clear previous pairings on both the phone and the Figo, then attempt pairing again. This removes conflicts. If problems persist, reboot the phone, power cycle the car, and retry. Persistent failures may indicate a sync firmware or hardware issue, in which case request dealer diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.